I am going to show you how to make a blue monkey. First, you're going to take your ice. Don't use too much ice because you are going to stir this and not shake it. So pour it into your glass. You're going to do 1 ounce of blue Curaçao, which is actually an orange flavored liqueur despite its blue color. And you're going to do 1 part coconut rum, or 1 ounce. Pour it in just like so. You're going to add 1.5 parts of orange juice to give it that nice tropical flavor. And you're going to add 1/2 part of pineapple juice. So then, just like so. And get your stir, put it in. Surprised there's no banana liqueur considering that it's a blue monkey. And then take your glass, and you're just going to pour it right in. It's a nice green color despite the blue name behind it. And you have a blue monkey.